guess sometimes it's really wrong. But, you know. Alright, what is it saying now? Is it good now?
Every time different. Why?
Yeah. Okay. Alright, so that's good. Alright. Because I thought you was going downtown. That's why I was scared. I'm sorry, man.
No.
Yeah. You know, I get scared. But we going the right way. Now I guess the GPS could take it roll over. Now, how did the pay work for this? It charged my card after it's over? After the ride is over, it charged my credit card, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Alright, that's good.
No cash, nothing.
Okay, yeah. And what if I when I'll get a return ride, what if I need you again? I like you, man. Do I ask for it, or they're just gonna give me somebody different next time? Somebody different next time?
Yeah.
Oh.
Every time, because sometimes maybe I hold.
Yeah, it said
No, it's like boom.
Yeah, because on Uber it said yeah. On Uber it said your name was Tamika or something like that. Or it was a black girl. So I didn't know. Then when you showed up, all right, that's good. My car broke down, man. I'm going to get my car. Mercedes, man. That's what.
Serious?
Huh?
What broken?
Yeah. Well, this is the motor. It's a bad issue. Yeah. Might be gone. Might be dead. So I'm towing it home.
Maybe dead?
I don't know. We got to check.
Yeah, because Mercedes is a good car.
Yeah.
It's broken too.
Yeah, but it's definitely a good car. It's a good engine. But so we're gonna look at the engine and then take it from there.
It's like people, right?
Yeah.
Rich or poor, it doesn't matter.
Yes, sir.
Every time die, right?
Yes, sir. But that's my baby. I'm about to go pick her up. All right, guys. Enough of pleasantries.